What's up crazy buddies? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an air cooler with a styrofoam box. So let's get started. For this project we require an empty styrofoam box and a fan and a 12 volts DC motor. Firstly, grab the styrofoam box and draw a line over the box cap, dividing 1/3 of the cap, and cut it using the blade and fix it back to the box. Now take the fan and place it inside the box and press it. At the center, mark it. And using any hot object, make a hole to place the motor in it. Now place the motor inside the hole and apply glue. Fix the fan to the motor and place 1/3 portion of the cap and apply tape to it. Now take the remaining portion of the box cap and make the hole to let the cool breeze from the fan inside. For decoration purpose, I am applying colored tape over the cooler. Now take the ice blocks and load inside the cooler. Switch on the fan and enjoy the cool breeze.